चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल बोलो जुबान केसरी।
So Arnab, see, the courtesy comes from both the sides actually, and since, like you spoke about the BJP, similarly there could have been a single word of congratulations even for the TMC in Bengal, who have actually outperformed the BJP in their own state. TMC was not fighting everywhere in every state, but let us talk about the state where they fought bravely against all odds, where the entire, the expensive, most media was standing with Modi ji, the ED, the CBI, the legal system, the entire system was standing with the BJP, and yet the TMC has outperformed BJP in the state. So there could have been a
No, I'm not. I'm asking about. See, sir, Shubhankar.
But I understand.
Shubhankar, I'm going back.
And you're right, but are we being sore losers?
Shazia.
Are we being sore losers?
Mr.
No, but
Pasha and Ratnakar on the right.
Look at the analytical skills.
Shazia ji, I have a shairi for you as
Mr.
well.
Pasha's analytical
I
skills.
remember, from Manmohan ji's words. Manmohan ji once, quoted the same shairi for Sushma ji.
अरे भाई,
यूं तो मैं
मेरे
आपके दीदार के काबिल
शेर और
नहीं,
शायरी से जिंदगी
पर
नहीं
तू मेरा
चलेगी।
शौक देख, मेरा इंतजार देख।
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the debate. I have Ratnakar, Tripathi, Abbas Haider, Shazia, Rajat, everyone on the screen right now. I will have some big breaking news on top of 9 o'clock about the kind of cabinet that we are going to see. Shazia and Ratnakar ji, if they can be on the screen. Question is, Shazia, procedurally a concession is not required. It's only about courtesies, right? It's only about courtesies. One side wins, one side loses, one side congratulates, one side accepts congratulations. I'm simply looking at the issue in terms of courtesies. How do you view it? Because
Absolutely.
yeah.
I think that's a very basic parameter, and that of civility in a democracy. So you win some, you lose some, but when you lose, you concede and you're graceful about it, and you always congratulate the winner. So that's very, very basic. It's done all the time, and it's been done, always been done in India. It's the first time that we're seeing this kind of crazy dithering that is going on, and which is very unpleasant rather. It's a great win for everybody. Everybody's done very well. Celebrate that instead of imbuing this also with this putridness of intolerance.
Ratnakar wanted to respond. Ratnakar ji.
Sir, the thing I was going to say is that I heard your discussion with KC Tyagi ji. KC Tyagi ji, when JDU shifted to BJP a few months back, one day before he outrightly rejected this idea that we will go with BJP, and they went. He's a very calm person, very shrewd person. Let me tell you in very brief thing. I drew conclusion of that first thing, what he said, he drew parallels with BJP कि BJP ने भी इतनी पार्टियों के संग गलत किया. Second, what he said, we are most comfortable with BJP. BJP is our most comfortable ally. Third, what he said, caveat, when you ask कि आपका कोई condition है, उन्होंने कहा कास्ट सर्वे जारी होना चाहिए, कास्ट सर्वे जारी होना चाहिए. Fourth, he said the pain is कि फाउंडर मेंबर होने के बाद नीतीश कुमार
कहा कि प्रधानमंत्री को इससे कोई आपत्ति नहीं है.
शाजिया जी क्यों बोलती हैं बीच में? नीतीश कुमार को फाउंडर मेंबर होने के बावजूद उसका कोऑर्डिनेटर नहीं बनाया गया ममता जी के कहने पे.
तब क्या
तो आप ये समझ जाइए, ही इज ओपन फॉर एवरीथिंग. आज नहीं 3 महीने बाद आप देखिए.
Tell me one thing.
Yeah.
This is your hope, okay?
No, it is not my hope.
Now,
it is my political insight.
Suppose Nitish Kumar with 15 seats leaves the alliance. Nothing happens. They are still in a majority. Abbas, so I don't know. What are you talking? He has 12 seats, right? Suppose 12 seats he leaves, they still have 280 seats.
Why do
I'm not understanding. I mean, इसमें कोई logic नहीं है. See, Abbas.
इसमें बहुत सा logic है.
Abbas, let me get Abbas one. Let me get Abbas it. Abbas, they're too strong, and your numbers are not there. Abbas, unmute yourself.
any party which claims to make a government should have the signs of the MPs which are getting elected. So by now, I guess NDA or the Prime Minister must have signature of the Member of Parliament from JDU and TDP. They must be having.
Yes.
They should show us if they have the support. Because
They have.
doing this,
They are going. They will show the president. Why will they show you? They will show the president when they meet him, when they meet her on Friday at 5 o'clock. So why will they show you?
So after once he has that letter, only then he can claim
conversation
to make a government.
with saying
By now we
this
don't have-
to KC Tyagi.
I'm saying
And you are not
trustworthy.
I'm saying that Abbas now election. Abbas, don't hope again. Acha, chalo. Why don't you declare that you will be the prime ministerial candidate? Akhilesh will be. Congress will support you. Form the government.
Instead of blabbering on the studio, they should go and stake the claim before the president. Why are they not doing that also, Arnab?
We are not in a hurry to make a government.
No, their message is simple.
They were telling
सरकार भी नहीं बनाएंगे, हार भी नहीं मानेंगे, गजब स्थिति है.
Rajiv Gandhi
They will neither form the
Sir, you
government
have-
or sit in the opposition. आप पार्लियामेंट में भी नहीं जाएंगे क्या? कुर्सी कहाँ मिलेगी आपको?
Rajat ji.
Similarly, there is a moral.
कुर्सी कहाँ बैठिएगा सर?
रजत जी,
पक्ष में ना बैठेंगे.
अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी ने कहा था जो आप कह रहे हैं, हार नहीं मानूंगा, रार नहीं ठानूंगा, काल के कपाल पर लिखता हूँ, मिटाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता हूँ. So don't worry, we will sing a new song.
सुनाई तो दे हमको. आप लोग गीत ही नहीं गा रहे हैं.
आप परेशान मत होइए, बहुत जल्दी नया गीत
इंतजार कर रहे हैं.
डॉक्टर
क्या बोलो
पाशा
तो
और
कुछ.
इस गीत में जो है ना,
अरे
वो
की
फिल्म
चीजें हैं.
हार्मोनिक ऑर्केस्ट्रा वाला
Dr. Pasha,
नीतीश कुमार और
Dr.
चंद्रबाबू
Pasha
नायडू
Varjeti
निभाएंगे.
is back. Dr. Pasha, tell Shazia, what is wrong, Dr. Pasha? Just you and Shazia right now in saying that, okay, you got the numbers, you managed to get the numbers, you will show the Rashtrapati, and we will work as a constructive opposition. ये बोलने में क्या शर्म है? What you have said on the other hand, we will wait to bring you down. Today, Kharge that he has said in the press conference, we are going to wait and we are going to bring you down. ये क्या logic है? Effectively, that's what he said, no? What kind of politics is it? We will try to bring you down. You can't do anything on your own. You can't form a government, but you're threatening that you will bring them down.
Arnab ji, the mandate is very clear. This mandate is against the dictatorship of Shri Narendra Modi ji. People have rejected this dictatorship.
No, if that is the case, then why has he got 1 minute? What is 1 minute? Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. The BJP has got 45% of the Lok Sabha, and with its allies has got 55 to 60% of the Lok Sabha. I'm not understanding mathematically what are you saying. To get what is 293 divided by 543 into 100? Everybody do the mathematics and ask the professor. You're a professor.
This is
You
not
tell
the
me.
question of just only mathematics. This is the question of ideology. This is the question of political values. And we fought this election.
I mean, it's very
with
sad that I have to remind you, sir.
This was
Sir,
a fight.
You being a
The
professor,
election
that I have
was
to
a
remind
fight
you,
between
it
two
is about
ideologies.
numbers. It is
And the
about numbers.
ideology of
This is about
democracy.
democracy.
On the
This
other
is how
hand, there was
elections are done
ideology of
and have always
dictatorship.
been done. No,
There was
it is about
ideology of
numbers.
dictatorship
It's about,
and the
it's
people have
about
rejected
seats.
the ideology of
It's
dictatorship.
about
Sir,
seats
everybody,
in the parliament.
sir,
It's about-
everybody
no,
from
sir,
Putin to Biden,
Don't give us those.
everybody, Dr. Pasha, from Putin to Biden has congratulated Narendra Modi.
Yeah, I have also congratulated.
But you won't congratulate?
But you see
Is
the number.
Putin congratulating Akhilesh?
BJP got 303.
Is Biden congratulating Rahul Gandhi?
What is the
Sir, आप
number?
reality पे आ जाइए, sir.
240 is
Okay.
not a defeat.
No, you don't
down
have to-
from 303 to 4 to
Chalo.
303 to 240. Is it a victory?
No, who's forming the government,
our
Dr.
moral
Pasha?
victory. It's our
That is,
political victory.
yeah, so you believed in that 400 par,
It's
that's
our
why this is
political
not good enough for you.
Let them form.
You
the
are saying that
government.
you believed in that
Let
400
them form
par.
the government. We are what we are saying. Are we objecting to it? We are putting forward our viewpoint.
No, the way
of
I
this-
see
about
it,
this election.
the way I see it, ladies and
Number,
gentlemen, the
let
way
them
I see it is that the opposition, as of now, should concede defeat. They should have the grace that they have lost. I have discussed this all of yesterday. This cannot be like students failing an exam, going to the teacher, asking for grace marks. There are no grace marks in politics. There are no compartmental exams in politics. Therefore, conceding would be the best thing to do.